highway, but we can't go and get up to the speed because we got a slow car in front of us. So if I floor it, we would catch up to them way too soon. So we're just gonna see if we can mosey on over here where there's a lot of traffic, so we'll see what we can do. Man, people are slow today. My goodness. 55 on a 65 highway, geez. So I pulled off to the side because my hood was flapping a little bit on the corners there. Because it's an aftermarket hood, it's not down solid in the corners, so yeah, I thought the hood, maybe I forgot to latch it, but apparently I didn't, so everything's good now. I need to get back on the highway. Man, is it busy traffic too. This is going to be a little tough to get back on the highway. So it looks like we'll have a break after this one car. Well, that didn't take long. But let me see, can you guys see the hood in the corner there? I do not like how it does that. I don't know if you guys can even tell. So yeah, since it's an aftermarket hood, I definitely got to get hood pins on here because on the highway 70, yeah, both sides are flexing way too much than I like. What's up, guys? The Life of Scott here, Revline 89 here. So we're giving a full tour of the car. I just polished the wheels up, put ceramic coating on the paint as well. So let's go check it out. This is my 2008 Ford Mustang. Brand new paint job, brand new tires and rims, brand new hood, pretty much. I'm sure you guys can tell what's new and what's not, but front lower lip, custom lower grille, custom upper grille, custom front plate, custom headlights, custom hood decals. Alright, we're gonna get this branch out of here. So I'll show you guys inside and out. The headlights are halo headlights, which I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it, but when I unlock the car, they light up. The wheels are American Muscle. Tires are Mickey Thompson Street Comp. All products will be in my video description. This is the 4.0 V6. Someday we will be building it out. New center chrome piece. New tail lights, custom license plate, dual exhaust, true duals with headers, stock cats, 2.5-inch exhaust piping, dual mufflers. You'll probably be able to see the mufflers over here better. So, I don't know if you can see both of them. Interior is not complete. As far as, you know, it's not done with what we want to do with it. So we got fake leather seats, or seat covers I should say. I put in new carpet, cleaned up the dash and cleaned everything up. Chrome piece in there, carbon fiber around there, custom Mustang, custom dash. We have what is it, the CTS2 or whatever, multi-gauge by Edge. You can preload it with tunes to tune your car. Let's see what else. You can do so much stuff on there. You can read your torque, horsepower, and a bunch of other stuff. Got a navigation system to put in. She purrs pretty good with the exhaust. Again, we want to customize it out, of course. Rear window louvers. The decals on the side were put on as well. So I'll start it up. The turn signals blink in sequence order, so 1, 2, 3, like the newer Mustangs. So yeah, that pretty much sums it up. Of course, side scoops put on as well as these scoops. So guys, I want to thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Take care, guys.